Hello everyone. I hope all of you are doing well and we have started learning about Google Docs. So if you remember in our previous videos we have already discussed about some few features of this Docs like how to set up page and adjust margins and add or insert header and footer. Now, in this session, we are going to learn about how to insert images, how to do formatting. In this option menu, you can see the format option, right? So, we are going to see how this actually works and how to insert the objects, the links, the images we want. So let's assume I'm creating my art project. So here you can see I have renamed this for page doc as a art project, and in my art project I'm writing on my favorite singer Shreya Ghoshal. So this we have completed in our previous session. We have inserted the header as you can see here. Now we are going to actually write about her. Okay, so before writing anything I wanna leave some space, and now here when I click on the format option you can see text, paragraph style, right? Align and indent. So let's assume I want to write over here the early life. Means I'm writing about Shreya Ghoshal's early life. Okay, early life of Shreya. Done. Now when I select this, I'll make this one bold, or I can give it another color like blue. It will look good, right? So, now when I go on this format option and let's say text bold, then okay, paragraph style. Okay, it is a title, so it's not title actually, it's a subtitle. So I'll click on apply subtitle, and now it looks like a subtitle. And after clicking this paragraph styles subtitle and update subtitle to match. So whenever in my whoever is going to edit this after you, when the that person starts editing this doc, let's say I want to write here now instead of Shreya, Sonu Nigam. So the changes you have made, like the format you have set, it will appear in the same. So this is the process of creating own template. Apply title, and here are some options. Save as my default style, use my default style. So if I click on save as my default style, and now whenever I go to create a new doc in another new doc, so this the subtitle which I have applied the red color and the normal font or bold font, it will appear there. Okay, so I'll we will discuss this in our next format. Okay, so this is how this format options work. Now if I want to add here something little like what we can say about her career, about career, right? Now again I'm gonna select this. I'm going in a format option, paragraph style, heading, subtitle. Let's give it as a apply heading 1. See, it's changed into a heading because that was actually saved in my formatting style. So you don't have to work to select the bold or select the font size. Once you go into this format and decide this is your what is the type of this normal text, titles, subtitles, and simply you have to apply it, apply title, and it's look like a title. Again this is looking red because I have set this red color and this font style as my default style. Okay, so whenever I'm gonna add title, it will look like this. So this is my option. So and how to save, if I'm selecting another font style over here, let's say Times New Roman, no, Verdana. Okay, the Verdana is my, then bold, and now I'm going to format, paragraph style, and adding it as a subtitle, and then going on a option and clicking on save as my default style. Your default style have been saved, so it will work as my default style. So this is all about format option. Now let's think, I'm writing about Shreya Ghoshal. So I wanna insert her photo. So here you can see the insert option, right? When I click on this insert option, you have so many options here to insert images, table, drawing, chart. So let's click on image. Here again you have so many options: upload from your computer, search the web, drive, or photos. So right now I don't have the Shreya's photo in my computer, so I'm gonna search from the web. When I click on search the web, in the right hand side you can see the Google Images has opened. And when I'm gonna, let's search here Shreya Ghoshal. Done. And here so many photos of Shreya Ghoshal you can see. Let's check which one is best and we will select it. So Shreya Ghoshal, I think this one is nice. She is singing also, so it looks like she is singing. And now here you can see insert option. Okay, just click on insert, and that's it. Here the photo of Shreya Ghoshal is already inserted. Now it looks very big, so let's edit this photo first. By clicking this arrow we can make the size small. Here is, you can see the alignment option. If you want photo in center, in right, okay, I, okay, let's make it short and move it over here. Mm, just I'm making it short and sweet. So this is Shreya Ghoshal. See, the text is moving, move with text. Okay, so wherever you want that text you can move this you can just click and the image will move. And you can write whatever you want over here. You can move it with text, fix this position on page, and I'm gonna click on fix position on page. So this position of image is fixed here. Okay, and position options, again you can see size, rotation. You can rotate what size, what width you want. You can edit from here, height, width. Okay, so that's how layout, in the center, in the right side, in the left side. So here is a layout. Then here you can recolor the image, you can adjust. So that's how you insert the image in the Google Doc. Now again there is another inserting option, that is insert table. So when you click on a table, it will give you, options in this side. So how many rows and how many columns you want, let's select, and here you can see the columns and everything has come. You can also increase or decrease the margins or the size of the boxes. So that's how you can insert tables in this. I'm gonna undo this because we don't need this here. Okay, so again, how to insert a table, you just have to click the number of tables you want. I want two, so there is two. If I have a long list, then 3 4 5. Okay, and let's decrease this. That's it. That's how you insert a table. And if you want to fill this color, just select that table. Let's select this box, and you can go in this option fill color and insert whatever color you want, and that's how your table is ready.